Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Wishing everyone a very happy Ugadi and a happy Gudi Padwa. Today I'm sharing with you a simple recipe to make these amazingly colorful gathis. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make these delicious gathis. I'm using these simple silicone molds to make the gathis, and I'm going to grease these with some ghee. Just make sure that you grease all the grooves and all the sides very well. Since it's a garland that we're going to put on our gudi, so we need a long thread. So just place it in the center of each of the silicone molds. You can use either single layer or double layer as you wish. Just press it in the center like this. Let's start making the sugar syrup, and for that I have taken half a cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. I'm also going to add a little bit of ghee. Mix everything really well. We are going to cook this mixture on a medium to medium low flame for few minutes. In about 5 to 7 minutes, this sugar syrup has thickened quite a bit. I'm just going to quickly check it and make sure that it's ready to form the gathi. So with a spoon, drop sugar syrup on a plate and you'll notice that it kind of holds well and doesn't just slip through. Look at that. So it's ready. Start dropping a spoonful of syrup in each of these silicone molds, making sure that the thread is under it. And do this quickly. The reason being that the sugar syrup kind of cools off pretty quickly, so we don't want that. And since these are colorful gathis, I'm using some edible food color and I have these liquid ones. So just use any colors that you like and simply drop these in each of these silicone molds and you'll get different colors of gathis. Just within 3 to 5 minutes you'll notice that the gathis come off easily. Look at that. And since these molds had nice grooves, it has given a shape of that of a flower, so it looks really pretty. The colors have also come out really well, but it's your choice if you want to just keep white color, no color is needed. But I just thought of these look little pretty, so I added them. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe of Gudi Padwa Gathis. Please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.